My goodness.
Hey, hold on. Don't take a picture.
Go, keep on going.
Yeah, that was funny. Oh my god.
I like that one. Drive right next to them. Hey, slow down. The police in the back.
He said.
He put his headphones down. He tried to go on the side. Oh my god. All right, we're driving around in Cali, try to figure out how they live their life. And like, it's so possible. It's so possible that everything around here is driving. Even you tell the guy a lie, you still follow you.
You crazy.
You never regret after they pull you over for you, then you know. You say hi to the lady. Say hi to the lady nicely, gently. Say hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am. How are shoes, ma'am?
I have my shoes. My shoes.
Hey, you see a police? Just right behind you. Just pull up on the sidewalk.
He's pulling over. He's pulling over.
Hey, no eating and driving, please. You can drink. Oh man, so nice that one. Perfect. I like this.
This poor guys.
I want to work for these guys.
Ask them if you can get a job.
Hey, can I get a job? He's looking, huh? The Chinese guy said, huh? How much you make an hour? Hi. That lady over there?
Oh, in the master.
Come, I pay for your food. I have only $1. Ay là $1 bên này. $1 bên này. Ay là $1. Hey, don't look at me.
Do it again.
That is. Hey, look at the Chinese guy look 2 times already. Hey, what's the love, guys? Shut the love. Don't make people go crazy.